Hey everyone, in this video we're going to install the Visual Studio Code in our latest Kali 2022. So I'm just going to go to Visual Studio Code. That's, by the way, one of my favorite ideas, and just go to Google and get it from there. Visual Studio Code download, and let's see what it gets us to. So here we go. So we are Kali, so we are Debian. Okay, so you can just click on or just download it, see what it downloads, and it's save the file. Okay, let's hit OK. So it is getting downloaded, and as soon as the download is ready it should go to the downloads folder. So let's just go there and wait for it. Okay, there we go. Our code, it's now available to us, and it's a dev file. Since it's just div file, we can possibly use the DPKG. Let's see if it's available, and it is. So let's do sudo DPKG and just get the code. Where are we? We are in downloads. Code underscore DPKG dash I. Sorry, DPKG dash I. Let's see if it takes now. Yeah. So you need I for install, and the package is the package manager, that's the original one, and then hit enter and provide your sudo password, and there we go, it's unpacking. And let's see if it can install the package for us. Let's see, setting up the code. So, looks like everything went well. So do ls. Okay, so how do I let's try, is there anything? Let's hit enter, and look at that, everything is done and I have the code available to me. So code, maybe you can try like code dash help, might give you some list. Yeah, there we go. So this is the Visual Studio Code 1.66.2 version installed, and all the kind of options that you have available, it's there. So now we have a really nice editor that we can work with in our Kali machine. I really enjoy working with this editor and highly recommend it to anyone to use this one, unless you have a very favorite one like the VI. Alright, that's all. Have fun.